Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger voice message record problem, especially if you are seeing the message slightly finger on the recording to play from any point and your audio is not working properly. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option, scroll down. Now tap on the messenger and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. First of all, calendar allow, another camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, music and audio allow, nearby devices allow, phone allow, photos and videos allow, and not allow microphone allow only while using the app. Okay, and notifications allow all permission. Okay, go back. And now turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode and check your internet connection. My internet already connected, my Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store. Tap on the search bar, search for messenger. Now tap on the messenger. Check update your messenger. My messenger already updated. Okay, done. And another. Now uninstall messenger app and again install messenger app. Okay, and open your messenger. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.